Sunrise Windows has taken replacing windows a step further with the Sunrise Full Frame Replacement System. In this video, we will show you the benefits of Sunrise Full Frame Replacement Windows and the installation process. The Sunrise Full Frame Replacement System provides you with a low-maintenance and energy-efficient window that will not only help you save money, but will also increase your view. Available in 80 color combinations, the Sunrise Full Frame Replacement System comes with the best warranty in the business and utilizes a contoured exterior mainframe to help boost curb appeal. Here is a regular replacement window from a competitor. The difference between full frame replacement windows from Sunrise and your average replacement window is clear. The Sunrise double hung window will provide you with up to an additional 27% of viewing area. Now let's take a look at the installation process. The first step in the Sunrise Full Frame Replacement System installation process is inspecting your current windows. During this process, we are looking for visible signs of wear or water damage. A good indicator of water damage is the appearance of water stains, cracked or peeling paint, or rotted wood. This additional moisture will make it difficult to open your windows, as you've likely experienced with older, traditional wood windows. This could also mean your current windows could be leaking air into your home, not only affecting your windows, but your energy efficiency as well. The presence of any of these issues is a sign that it is time to replace your current windows. We are now ready to begin preparation for your new Sunrise replacement windows. During this part of the process, your current windows will be removed. The sashes and sliding tracks will be removed and discarded. If you are receiving a traditional replacement window, the window would now be installed. Notice the frame of the old window is still in place, and we are unaware of any issues behind the existing frame, such as water intrusion, rotted or damaged wood, poor or no insulation, or possible insect infestation. Now the interior trim will be taken off. This is all done in a very safe and effective manner that will prevent any rips in paint or wallpaper. At this point, with many old windows, we may find the presence of insects. Usually, the presence of insects can be associated with water damage. In order to continue on in the installation process, the exterior brick mold must be removed in order to extract the entire existing window frame. Now, the insects can be properly dealt with, and all damaged wood has been removed. By using a commercial-grade insect repellent, we can eliminate the insects that are present, and we can later add an additional barrier of protection to keep the insects out of your home. Now that the insect issue has been addressed, we can now move forward with the installation process. To prevent future water damage and mold issues, a proper water management system will now be put in place. Part of the water management system is building up the window seal to support and seal the window. The seal is then wrapped with a flexible flashing tape and integrated into the existing building wrap material. Next, 2 thick beads of caulk will be applied to the perimeter of the opening. By doing this, an air and watertight seal is created around the window. Your new Sunrise replacement windows are now ready to be installed. Each Sunrise full frame replacement window comes with traditional style vinyl brick mold attached to help retain the style of your windows and aid in installation. The windows are carefully lifted and positioned into place. Once positioned, screws will be inserted into the front face of the brick mold to pull the entire unit in tightly and secure it in the opening. The brick mold screw cap is now used to cover the screw holes that have been created. This will provide a clean, finished look for the windows. Since the interior frame is exposed, the windows can now be properly insulated. This will prevent drafts from being able to enter around the frame and will also add another layer of protection against moisture and insects entering your home. Next, the interior trim is applied. Specifically designed for your window and measured to cover your existing paint lines, a pre-assembled and pre-finished interior trim is used. Using this will not only save you money, but it will aid in completely transforming your windows to their beautiful finished state. Your windows have now successfully been installed, and the Sunrise Full Frame Replacement System is complete. The choice is clear. By using Sunrise Full Frame Replacement windows, you'll not only be taking a step forward, but saving money and enjoying a full view as well.